Here. Throw it again. Oh, it must feel powerful. I can make that animal do things. Look at that. Oh, the kid's not throwing it far enough. He's going to try an adult now. Now, haul it. Yeah, just haul it. Anywhere you want. She'll find it.
Ugh.
And she won't stop. Ever.
Here you go, Kyle. Here, you throw it. Throw it.
Isis is saying, yeah, I can do that. I mean, what else you got?
Aww. Throw it far, Kyle.
Throw it over there, Kyle.
Kyle, over there. Throw it that way. Or not. No, I just want to
playing with the goo.
I want to play with the mud. Yay!
That's okay, kid. She needs training anyway.
He's looking at you. She's looking at you now, Will.
Sit down. Sit back down on there. Sit back. There you go. Come on. Thank you. Do you throw him a biscuit when he does that? Just don't beat him when he listens.
Yay!
Did you get that?
Yeah.
God, that was precious. Oh, God. Love it.